Hello students, welcome back to the new video, and today we'll discuss about asymmetric encryption. There are two types of encryption: symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption. So let's start. Before the video, I would like to tell you my name is Prashant and I'm a cyber security expert having more than 5 plus years of experience and taught more than 2000 students in last 5 years. So if you have any question, you can reach to me via my number. You can reach to me WhatsApp, email. Just to clarify, I will answer you after 6 p.m. Sorry for that, because before 6 I was little busy on a daily schedules. Saturday, Sunday except. That's exception. So let's jump. Asymmetric. See, the asymmetric encryption. Before we jump to the topic, you need to understand public key and the private key. Then we'll discuss about asymmetric, interview question and job assistance. So let's start. Yes. See, the public key and the private key. Private key. Guys, concentrate. Yeah, it's very important for the examination purpose, for the certification and for interview. See, in the small medium scale never ask this kind of tough question. They just ask you what is asymmetric. You need to just say the asymmetric means the SSL, Bitcoin, SSH or SSL works on it, and there is public and private key. That's all. But in MNCs they go deep, so I would like to give you in-depth knowledge in this video. See, here one person A, there is one person B, and here attacker. Correct. So in the asymmetric, both has public key and private key. Okay, now what happened? Let's make beautiful diagram so that you will understand easily. Private key, public key. Here I'll write public key, private key. Here I'll take the name ABC. I'll take the name XYZ. Okay, so now see what happened. Each of these share their public key. Yes, now ABC has XYZ public key, XYZ has ABC public key. Now what happened? When they really start the communication, the data is transferred in encryption manner. What is encryption manner? As an example, ABC send to XYZ hello. So the data is like this: XY $@135 or something like this. Nobody can understand this data. So to understand the data and getting back in a right format to XYZ, now XYZ need his private key so that he can get the original message. See guys, be careful. I'll take another example. See what happened. ABC sending his public key, XYZ sending his public key. ABC send the message to XYZ as an example, hi. But this message is in the form of $1ST. to the XYZ. So XYZ cannot understand this message, even though attacker cannot understand this message, even though some third party cannot understand this message. So how to decrypt this message? It can be decrypted by only XYZ private key. That's why the Bitcoin has very big issues. If you know, if you forgot your private key, you cannot get back your Bitcoin. I think now you all understand what I'm trying to say. Same thing with the SSH. If you don't know your private key, you cannot decrypt sender's message. Same thing with the XYZ. If XYZ sending message to the ABC, but ABC forgot his private key, finish, tata, bye bye. This is all about public and private. Public means they are sharing their public key to anybody, but they can retrieve their message to the right guy. As an example, here public, here ABC send public key to attacker as well, but attacker cannot get the message because attacker has the private key of attacker, and the ABC's message want the private key of XYZ, and attacker doesn't have the XYZ private key. That's the key point. That's why you send your public key to anybody, but no one can retrieve the message except the right guy. This is all about asymmetric encryption. So, who work on encryption? SSH, SSL. If you know SSL, HTTPS protocol, yeah, it's not a standard by the way, and SSL work on Frontier algorithm. Yes, but now the successor of SSL is TLS. Everyone, I think 90% use TLS nowadays. So this is all about today's video. If you like, please subscribe, and each week I'll share the mock interviews with the freshers, so before you go to any MNCs you'll get a good experience. See you guys, have a nice day.